Hey video creators, this is a mistake that you're making in your videos. I have made hundreds if not thousands of videos, and I have analyzed up to 950 videos, and I want to tell you the 10 best hooks that are going to draw people into your video from the very first 3 to 5 seconds. Number 1 is you won't believe this. Number 2, X reasons why. Number 3, something you didn't know. Number 4, and I like this one a lot, simple important tip for you. 5 1, and this is a beast. Here is 10 things that I wish that I had known earlier. Number 6, top 5 sites or websites that I use to be able to do X. And number 7, how I got blank in 24 hours. People like to get stuff done quick. Number 8, nobody is talking about insert subject. Number 9, this is why your blank isn't working. People will tune into that. And last but not least, here are 10 tiny tips to help you do blank. These hooks are going to be able to help you get people interested in your video within the first 3 to 5 seconds. Stay tuned for more tips.